In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a thank you page and redirect to it in Unbounce. Start by opening a new browser window and searching for Unbounce. Click the official result to head to the site, then log in to your account. Once you're in, go to your All Pages view and choose Create. When prompted, select Landing Pages so we're working within the right section. You can create a thank you page in two ways. Click Create a new to start fresh, or duplicate an existing landing page if you want a consistent look and feel. Next, choose a thank you page template or build one from scratch. Templates are great if you want a quick layout with a clear headline and message already in place. Building from scratch gives you complete control over spacing and style. Customize the content so it clearly thanks the visitor and confirms what just happened. Keep your headline short and positive. Add a brief confirmation message and consider offering a next step, like a link to a resource, an invitation to follow your brand on social media, or instructions on what to expect next. Keep the design simple so the message is unmistakable. If you're using forms that promise a downloadable asset, it's helpful to repeat that promise here and provide a clear button or link. When your content looks good, save and then publish or republish to make the page live. After it's live, copy the full URL of the thank you page. You'll use this in the redirect configuration. Now, return to your original landing page in the Unbounce Builder. Click the form on that page to open its Properties panel on the right. Scroll to the Form Confirmation section. From the Confirmation dropdown, select. Go to URL. In the URL field that appears, paste the thank you page URL you copied a moment ago. Make sure there are no extra spaces and that the link loads correctly if you paste it into a new browser tab. Finish by saving your changes and clicking Publish or Republish on your main landing page. This applies the redirect, so visitors are sent to the thank you page immediately after submitting the form. A quick check after publishing is always helpful. The flow should go from your landing page form to a successful submission and then to the thank you page you just built. That's it. You've created a dedicated thank you page, customized it with a clear message and next step, and wired your form to redirect to it automatically in Unbounce.